Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Hi, if you haven't done it yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join me in this wonderful journey of English learning. Hi there. Now we're going to talk about the double O. The spelling double O causes a lot of confusion for some of us kasi we think of it as only one sound. We automatically sound it as oo, right? Well, you'll be surprised that there are 6 sounds of the double O. Let's get right into it. The first sound is the one that we are most familiar with. It's the long oo sound. So you pucker your lips like you're kissing someone, right? Ooh. Okay, let's sound it again. Ooh. Okay, that is so easy. Ooh. Now let's practice words with the long oo sound. Ready? Okay, let's go. Mood, food, moon, cool, stoop, drool, broom, scoop, tool, spoon, groom, bloom, balloon, boot, doom, fool, goose, zoom. All right, very good. Now we're going to go to the short double O sound. And I put there a little cartoon that's like a disgusted look because it sounds like like something is disgusting. Right? So it's a little bit open mouth. And make it sound like yuck. Okay? Okay, so let's practice words with the short double O sound. Okay? Ready? Buck, hood, cook. So it's not book, it's not hood, it's not cook. Okay? It's short sound. Buck, hood, cook. All right, good. Let's go to the next one. Shuck, stood, hook. Very good. Took, wood, soot. Look, good, foot. Okay, good. So it's not look, good, and food. No, it's not like that. It's look, good, and foot. Okay? The same thing with the others. Don't make it long, it's short. Okay, great. Now let's go to the next double O sound. This is pronounced as Okay, so let's try it. Blood, flood. So yeah, you can see double O in the words, but it's pronounced as blood, flood. All right. Now, let's go to the next double O sound. And usually you pronounce it when the spelling ends with O-O-R, okay? It's pronounced as okay? So let's look at the words. Pour, more, okay? So it's not poor, it's not more, no, it's pour. More. Okay, good. Now let's get to know the other double O sound, which is pronounced as O, okay? O, and it's usually spelled with double O-R again. So let's look at the words. We have floor and door, okay? So again, it's double O, but the sound is O. Floor, door. Very good. Now let's go to another sound that you might not be familiar with. It's O. O sound. Really? Double O, and the sound is O. Yes. And you have here an example. Brooch. Brooch. All right. Very good. Now let's go to the other sound, which may not be considered as double O, but really it's spelled as double O. So it's pronounced as O-ah. O-ah. Okay? So let's look at the examples. Cooperation. Cooperation. Zoology. Zoology. See? Interesting, right? Okay, so let's practice again, but this time I'm gonna mix the words so that you can, practice without my prompting, okay? So let's try it without me helping you. Let's do it! Good job, great. And I hope you won't forget the differences between oo and o and oa and all those different sounds of the double O. Okay, so what double O word pronunciation surprised you the most? Did you learn something new today? Please comment below and I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.
That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.